Now Mr. Erwin Kubinger is with me. He is head of the TECAPOWDER business unit at Ensinger Sintimit. Mr. Kubinger, in what industries are your products used?
In automotive, aerospace, the semiconductor industry, for plasma welding, as well as for diamond grinding wheels. No other plastic combines more superlatives than polyimides.
Als Polyimide.
What features make TECAPOWDER so special?
The high-performance plastics from Ensinger, and here in particular from TECAPOWDER, offer very important strengths in many areas or applications. It is non-flammable, non-meltable, a good insulator, and is characterized by its good adhesion to metals.
What are you currently focusing on?
In particular, manufacturers of electrified vehicles face the challenge of developing innovative batteries with improved charge and discharge rates. Crucial for a long lifespan, even after many charging cycles, are the adhesion and strength of the coating. Here, highly adhesive soluble high-temperature polyimides are used as binders.
In concrete terms, what are the properties that make TECAPOWDER so special in that case?
As an electrode binder, the fully imidized polymer TECAPOWDER P84 improves the performance of batteries with both lithium-ion and lithium-ceramic technology. This results in a significant increase in range and lifespan, as well as improved efficiency and dimensional stability.
Mr. Kubinger, in what forms is TECAPOWDER delivered?
Ensinger offers TECAPOWDER P84 for the production of high-performance lithium batteries in different forms, from solution-grade granules to fine powder. Thus, our polymer can be applied in battery production in a dissolved form or by using a dry coating process.
Oder anhand eines Trockenbeschichtungsverfahrens aufgebracht werden.
Where else are such materials needed?
Our high-performance plastic is a thermally stable copolyimide-based binder and can come into contact with strongly polar solvents. Wherever such coatings are required, also in the chip industry, even for use in satellites, the outstanding properties of TECAPOWDER are convincing. I and my team are happy to deal with your requirements, and together we will develop a tailor-made solution.
Gemeinsam eine maßgeschneiderte Lösung.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kubinger.